okay.
Not too bad, really. To get down, there's these little rocks here. In other words, I thought I was going to have to climb. You see, there's a ledge right here.
Yeah, but no,
Yeah, the main thing
we're
is
not
deep.
strong. Like, check and see how deep it is for us.
Oh, it goes down, doesn't it? Is it really? Does it get really wedged, like you could get your foot stuck in there?
I don't know if you could get your foot stuck in there.
I don't know if people have the span that you have. There's some shorter people here. Is there no way to, Mike, do you think, is there no way to go on that ledge
Let me see.
to your left without having to span it?
Let me see.
You want your stick, baby?
There's how deep it is. Well, like even if you span it, you know, you can do this even if you're shorter. But I don't know if you, I guess, can y'all do this?
Yeah. I'll do that.
See like this from?
I'm just gonna swim.
Yeah, and then if you, it's this deep.
Okay.
So it's
And
going
it's
to be,
got a sandy bottom. But if you go like, if you get like this, just do like a push up. And then let yourself slip down over here. And then once you get over here, if y'all want to try it.
well, let's see what's, can you go down there a little bit and see if there's, if we get to a 30-foot one, then we don't want to do that.
All right, so you want me to go check it?
Yeah, can you do that?
Yeah.
Here, I'll turn on my radio.
I'm going to turn mine to take the truth.